Welcome to Side Hustle Entrepreneur. I'm not sure how you guys found me and the channel, but I'm truly grateful. Welcome along. Thank you very much for joining us. Before I go into today's video, I wanted to cover a couple of things that I think are quite important. Really, I just wanted to go over who I am, why I started the channel, what you can expect from today's video and the channel, and also how you can support the channel. So without any further ado, who am I? My name is Vic. Just an average guy, probably just like yourselves, who are looking to over the pandemic, found that a single income was not enough to support me and my family, and so I was looking for ways to kind of earn a little bit of extra money, really. And I'm going to share with you in the channel, on this channel, how I do that, how I've started some of these side hustles and have made some very good money doing it. And I wanted to share them with you guys, so that you guys can try them for yourselves. What can you really expect to get from my channel? I'm going to be sharing, as I say, I'm going to be sharing quite a lot of stuff with you guys. I'm going to try and put out some videos quite regularly, twice, maybe 3 times a week, and hopefully allow you guys to earn some extra cash yourselves by doing some of these things. And what would really help is if you were just to, if you found it useful, if you found the content useful, just hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And so in today's video, what we're going to be looking at is some easy ways to make money on eBay. Now, I know what you're thinking. You may have you may have tried to do this before. Gary V talks about it, going out and finding some great items at car boot sales, and then selling them online. Now, I tried this, and it's a very profitable way to start on eBay, but I'm going to show you another way that I found that was less intensive. It's very, that way it works. There's a lot of time that goes into buying finding the items, then listing them on eBay, and then selling them, and then posting them out. I just found that very time consuming. It's a very good way of doing it, but I found another way that I want to share with you guys that doesn't involve going out, finding the products, buying them, and then shipping them yourselves. I found a way that actually find items and you can sell them on eBay very quickly, very easily, and still generate a good income from doing this. So what you don't need is, you don't need any experience, you don't need any expertise or specialist skills. You don't even need to be at a set location or need lots of money to start. And that's the great thing about this. You really don't need a lot of money to start at all. In fact, I'd go as far as saying you probably don't need any money to start whatsoever. But what you will need is a laptop or a phone. You can get eBay on your phone these days, and an internet connection. That's all you will need in order to make this work. So stick around till the end. I'm going to show you the entire method. I'm going to show you proof of this actually working, and I'm going to show you a way that you can actually speed up the process. The first thing you're going to want to do is get yourself over to eBay. Quite simply just get yourself onto Google or the Internet Explorer or Google Chrome, and just type in ebay.co.uk. Now, if you're not in the UK, you can just get onto eBay in your local country. So ebay.com might redirect you, but here in the UK, it's ebay.co.uk. And what you want to do is you want to go ahead and you want to sign up, or at least register with eBay if you don't already have an eBay account. If you do have an eBay account, what you'll need to do is just just log in. So for the purpose of this, I'm just going to show you very quickly how to register. You literally just click on register, put in your details. It's a personal account that you want. You register, or you could register with your Facebook or your Google account or your Apple account. Entirely up to you. The next website that you want to get to is poundshop.com. And what we'll be doing is we'll be using this to find, source, and ship our products. Now, there are other sites that are available that you can do this with. The one that I used to use a lot was studio.co.uk. Unfortunately, Studio, as you may know at the moment, are going through administration, so they aren't accepting any orders at the moment, but that doesn't mean that your business model or this model changes at all. You can use any one of these websites, poundshop.com, very.co.uk, you know, these kind of catalog sites, and all you would do is just type in something that you want to sell. So what usually sells really well is home and garden stuff. So let's see if we can find an example of this. So I'll just scroll down and actually let's look to see if we can find some garden stuff. So what I'm looking for is just something that kind of stands out, that you know you might be able to sell on eBay for a profit. Nothing on there. Let's go back and have a look at Inspire Me. Let's have a look on Inspire Me. Let's see what we can find. This is Hinch's Favourites. Let's see what's under there. So look at this. Gordon's Gin Glass Green. Now if I click into that, it's going to cost me £3. Let's see how much these sell for on eBay. There you go. This is exactly what we would be looking to sell. So ×2 Gordon large balloon green stem glasses. You can see that this person who is selling it has sold them 58 of them. And once you're signed in, you can see that this person has sold some very recently, 19th of Feb today. We are the 25th, the 11th, the 7th. So these are quite regular. They're not, you know, sporadic by any stretch of the imagination. We purchased these for £3. I assume that there will be a delivery charge on this one, so delivery and postage. So it looks like the delivery is going to be £4.95. What you can do is you can have a look to see how much profit you're likely to make on this. So you can find, if you go to Google and type in eBay calculator, and you can just pick any one of these. I use this one, eBay fee calculator. This one is updated quite regularly as eBay continues to change their fees, not by very much, but they do slightly from time to time update the fees. And these are bang up to date, probably about a week old, assuming that eBay haven't made any changes since then. So what you would do, sold price, we go back here at $9.95 there. Shipping charge, and this is the shipping charge that you will be charging to your customers. It tells you here the amount that you charge your buyer for shipping. Now generally that's going to be nothing. You're then going to
put the item cost that you paid for the item, which is going to be £3 here, and then your £4.95 as a shipping cost to you. And what this will do is this will go away, it will calculate all your eBay fees, and then pretty much how much you're going to be left over with at the end of the day. So this is telling me that this is going to leave you with 43 pence. 4% of the sold price is what you will be left with, 43 pence. I doubt very much that I would do this or look at selling this item, but what I would do is look through this, look through these kinds of sites to see what else you can find to sell that could be of higher value. Very.co.uk. I would have shown you some great examples on Studio, but unfortunately Studio isn't, they're not accepting any new orders, unfortunately. So again, Home and Garden on very.co.uk. And you know, you might be wondering, does this actually work? Do people, why wouldn't people just go over to very.co.uk? Some people don't actually know about these, and that's where eBay is great for this sort of stuff. So Yankee Candle, I particularly like to look at these seasonally. You tend to find that around this time people are looking to buy things for their garden, at least having items available for them. Is usually quite good. So this 3-burner gas barbecue with side burner, I know in the past this has sold quite well for me. Let's see if we can find it. So 3-burner gas barbecue with side burner. Here it is, this exact same one. So you have this one here, identical to this one, side burner there, the legs, everything. Pretty identical there. You're looking at $169.99. You're going to buy it for $99.99. So sold price $169.99. Shipping is going to be $0 that you're going to charge a customer. You're going to have $69.99, $99.99 that it's going to cost you. Just double check that. Yep, $99.99. I know very.co.uk, they do charge a little bit extra for shipping. We're just going to find their shipping policy now. Delivery and returns. Standard delivery, $3.99. So you're going to charge $3.99 there for delivery, and then you're going to come down and calculate the costs. Now that's a huge margin. You can sell it at $169.99. I know in the past when I sold them, I didn't sell it that much. What I tend to do is I tend to find similar items, have a look at how much they're being sold. This one's 156, so even if we were to look at this one, 156 plus 470, you're talking nearly £160. So even if we were to change this to 159.99, you're still making a very, very, very healthy profit. 35.23 is what you're looking at there. And literally all you would do is you just copy and paste. So you would grab the item description here, and if you can copy and paste, you can do this. You would just grab the item description here, all of that. You'd copy it, and you would just create your listing. And as soon as it sells, what you would do, the great thing about this method is you literally don't have to put any money into it. You wait until this sells, you then go to very.co.uk, you will have your customer's details. You will add this to your basket. Continue shopping. You want to check out securely. You'll want to register with very.co.uk. You would place the order and you'd ship directly to your customer. And you also find the reviews on here, and I think it's absolutely fantastic. So I tend to select all the 5-star reviews, and I'll take a little snip of what these reviews are. So this one says a little tricky to build. I wouldn't include that bit. Doesn't really sell very well. Easy assembly, instant heat, excellent and easily cleaned. That would be something I would put into the description. I tend to put something along the lines of what others are saying and put that into the description. And it generally tends to sell pretty well. So yeah, that's definitely proof that this works. People are using this method time and time again. So I would definitely say give it a shot. And I did promise you a way that you can speed this up. If you go to you pretty much can outsource this, so you can outsource it to Fiverr, UK, right, Fiverr.co.uk, and eBay. I'll just type in eBay store. Pretty sure somebody's going to manage. Yeah, I would design an eBay store listing template, eBay shop design. I will upload products to Shopify, eBay, Amazon. Those people. I'll manage your eBay dropshipping store A to Z. A little bit expensive there. I'm not sure I would go with that, but you get the idea. You can pretty much outsource this and keep a bulk of your profits, really. So if you found that useful, give the video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe. I'll be sharing a lot more of these tips with you, and leave a message in the comment if you've tried this and how it worked out for you. See you again soon.